Hi, what's up YouTube? This is Chris again with Vibrant Deals, and in the previous video I showed you how to make $100 a month, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make $200 a month. Yes, $200 a month with monthly dividend stocks. I have my laptop right back over here with my phone. So I'm logged into my Robinhood account and I have my numbers application on my Mac Air, and this is going to be a short but sweet video of how much it costs to make $200 a month with dividend stocks. So the last video I showed you how to make $100. Today is $200. So as you can see right here, I'm on my Robinhood account with PSEC. For this month here, I made $104. SDIV, I made $118. AGNC, I made $103. QYLD was the easiest to make $200. I'm actually making $245 this month here, paid out on December 1st. So I'm gonna go scroll over here to my computer. As you can see, this is the breakdown of how much it costs to make $200 with the four funds that I have, which is AGNC, PSEC, SDIV, and QYLD. I'm actually not making this right now. I'm making around $570-ish a month. My goal is to achieve $600, ideally $1,000 a month, but I'll get there slowly but surely. But on the bottom here was on a previous video, I decided to go with some random stocks that I had previously in my other account, but it does cost a lot more. I would say these stocks are a lot safer in my opinion, and this is how much it costs. So to make $800 a month, it would cost around 100 grand with my current portfolio. I did update all the prices per share and the stock price as well. And so this is how much it costs over here, and this is the desired income. So to make $200 a month, this is how much it would cost. You can see the whole breakdown: 25K, 28K, 25K, and 20K. In comparison, look at Realty O. You've got to spend 60 grand to make $200. Stag Industrial, you have to spend almost $78,000 to make $200 a month. And then you have SPHD, to make $200 a month, you need almost $66,000. So this portfolio is not even making $800 a month. It's only making $600, and it would cost $204,000. So let's try to match the same income monthly. Let's just make this $250. Let's make this one $250. And well, let's try to make it equal $800. So $250. We'll do $300 for this one. Bam. So to make $800 with this particular setup that I have here versus $800 with my portfolio that I have on Robinhood, you can see the price difference there. Costs $270K versus $100K. So that's it for today's video. I just want to show you a quick glimpse of what it's like to make $200 a month, which I'm only doing that with one fund. QYLD, I'm actually making $245, but you can see what it takes to make $200 and the amount of shares that you need to make $200 a month with each of these funds here. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.